Hello, party people. We are back and we are vlogging and we are filming and we are doing great things. I brought these glasses with me. They're not like prescription. They're literally just like the blue light lens. So it helps with like the blue light on your like computer screen, your phone screen and stuff. But I like kind of how I look in them. But I might look stupid right now because I'm not even looking at a screen. I'm just driving. Is this like a vibe? Do I look stupid? All right, let's turn the car on. Let's go. I look like an idiot. It's fine. I feel like these like stop my like perception. So I used to wear glasses,
or
but
crispy chicken fingers into sauce heaven. And don't forget.
So anyways, back to what I was saying. I used to wear glasses and contacts, but I never wore my glasses out and about because I felt like it like stopped my like peripheral vision. Like I couldn't see to the sides and it literally freaked me out sometimes. So yeah, that's really all. That's the whole story. But now I for some reason like to wear them when I don't need them. Because that's just how life works, right? Like when you just like don't want something, you get it, and then when you want something, you don't get it. It's fine. So I'm on my way to Barnes & Noble's right now because I told myself I need to start reading a lot more books and I'm just like really bad at it. Like my attention span is just not the best. I like get bored really easily when I like am doing something for too long and like I have to like switch it up right away. I'm gonna go buy this book called The 11 or The 7. I think it's The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I saw like literally 4 people post it on their stories and I was like, okay, this book has to be good because I've seen so many people post about it. And then when I called Barnes & Noble's if they had it, they were like, oh yeah, we have a stack right out front, like a huge stack. And I was like, oh sick, okay, so this has to be a popular book if they have it right in the front. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab that book. I'm gonna start reading it. I guess I'll keep y'all updated if it's good or not. I don't know. It's like the worst book of all time. Like everyone just trolled the shit out of me. Also, LA, not cute right now. It was raining this morning. It's cold. It's raining. Did I say that already? I don't know. Guys, I'm not okay. It's just not cute. And just like, you know, you wake up and it's like that. You just want to stay home and be like all cuddly and cozy. And then when you can't, your blood boils. Yeah. Oh, I also got my claws back on because the nubs were not doing it for me. The thing is, like, I loved my nubs, and when I say nubs, I just don't. I mean no claws, no. Hello, no nails on. But the reason I have to have these claws on, I really am saying it's like a medical thing because I will pick the crap out of my cuticle beds and the skin around my nails out of just anxiety. And it's not like super serious, but I literally make my fingers bleed and my friends are like, ew. So I call it like it's like a medical thing at this point. Like I need the nails, so that's what I'm gonna tell myself. Okay guys, I just parked, I got here. I got my cheeky little mask. I love this mask. So this is a KN, I'm like pitching you my mask. But I just thought I'd share this fun fact with you guys just because I pulled my mask out and it like reminded me. So y'all know that the Omicron virus has just like taken over everything recently, and the US specifically is getting around 500,000 cases a day, which is really crazy, and people aren't really getting that sick from it, but 50% more people are getting hospitalized from it just because it's spreading a lot faster. It's really contagious. It's just not the best thing right now, you know? So the reason I'm bringing this up is because I ordered these KN95 masks off Amazon because I read in this article that like any sort of at-home mask, cloth masks are not the best to keep you from getting sick from this virus. The holes in the fabric are not small enough to keep you safe and to keep you from not getting sick. So they said that the KN95 masks and 95 masks and the KF94 masks are the best masks from keeping you sick because the little pores, the little holes in these masks are literally so tiny. But yeah, I decided to get an orange one because how fun, right? And it's nice because it is a little thicker and it's been so cold that it keeps me kind of warm. And I'm also getting my booster in 2 weeks. I made my appointment, so also a reminder to go get your booster. Guys, let's make everything back to normal. I feel like everyone's going crazy, but as long as we're like wearing our masks, we're getting our boosters, we're getting vaccinated, I feel like stuff will slowly start falling into place again. But I don't know why I went on that whole spiel about this specifically, but just because I grabbed it, I was like, I'm gonna tell them this fun fact about the masks. I'm gonna go grab my book now because, oh, excuse me, what's going on? Nobody recognized me.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, do you guys have The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo?
Yes, it should be on this table.
On this one right here? Okay. Oh, amazing.
Right here. There you
cool,
go.
thank
Of
you.
course, yeah.
I got it. There she is in all her glory. Oh man. And where we at?
Sweet butter.
We're getting lunch. We got chilaquiles, bacon, eggs.
There's zhuzh on my plate. Wiping it off.
Oh.
It's not working. Whatever, I'll eat people's leftovers.
Ew. Okay, we're gonna take our Vitality shot. Vitality? Vitality.
Bye.
Hi, Vitality.
Vitality. Okay, it's coconut water, turmeric, however you say it. Turmeric.
I just don't know how to say anything.
Lemon and black pepper.
I know.
I don't think it will be that
I feel like the
spicy.
black pepper is gonna go up my nostrils. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And I never can take all of this. It's honestly not that bad. It doesn't burn.
No, that was not bad at all. What does it taste like? It tastes like something very like
Turmeric.
Anne-Marie.
I don't understand. I feel like I have a sixth sense for bugs because I'm just watching this show and I'm like, yeah, and then I see that colossal thing out of the freaking corner of my eye. What am I supposed to do?
It's moving.
He's getting on the ceiling.
No, Anne-Marie.
Of course he's moving. What do you mean he's traveling? He's just a traveling guy. You can't smush those things because
I literally have a video of Anthony trying to grab one from over there in that window and he almost started to cry.
Is this gonna be stinky?
No, don't kill it. Just do it nice and lightly.
Go. No, I'll sway. You think I'm gonna grab that thing?
What do we do?
Well, usually I just smush them, but it's a stink bug, so it's a little spicy when you squish them.
No, let's like...
Oh, because it's a wee thing because you're gonna do it?
She knows that I won't touch it. Do we need more light?
No! I can see him perfectly fine.
Also guys, we're still celebrating Christmas and it's the middle of January.
I just need him to keep going. He's moving quickly, and I just need him to get here. So I can flick him onto the ground.
Wait, onto the ground?
Yeah, so I can flick him and then smush him and grab him. I don't want to smush him on the wall because my footprint will be up there.
Oh my god, okay, Henry, I'm picking you up or he'll eat him. I'm here for moral support. I'm here for moral support.
I'm gonna wait till he passes a little so I come in from behind him. He has no idea it's happening. Why do these things exist? what the fuck does a stink bug do for anybody? No, I can't. I'm close and I can't do it. He's so ugly, oh my god.
Maybe just like lightly grab him.
It's me. It literally turned around, look at it.
I would check the
Something with
laundry.
the handle.
Yeah, I would check the laundry or in
Keep
here.
an eye on it.
I found a Swiffer.
I don't want to get close to him.
No, there's no way. Wait. Let me grab Henry.
Oh, I missed.
Wait, they fly?
Yes, bitch!
Now you can grab him.
I don't want to grab him until he's on the ground. Why did they do that?
No, you killed it. Is it stinky?
No.
Okay guys, I just want to do a quick little fit check of my outfit. I finally kind of gathered myself because I just need to so I can feel better about myself. I just have this cute little black purse from Brandon Blackwood, love it. I have my nude puffer from Zara. I have my nude set from my BRIAVIA collection. The yoga pants on, the long sleeve. Hold on, let me give you the full effect. I'm just a wreck. There it is. This is it. I have my sunglasses on. Oh, and then I just have some like white, like kind of like runner track sneaker situations going on. I don't even know why I have sunglasses on. It's raining and it's cloudy. I love that I chose a jacket without a hood because it's still raining, but it's fine. My hair is in a tight pony. Oh, There it is. All right, guys, I'm here with Sid too. She's
Should I show my fit?
Yeah, yeah, give me an outfit of the day.
You guys,
okay,
outfit
go
of
for
the day. I'm wearing this long sleeve top.
I like that. Where's it from?
Zara.
Zara, okay.
I forget where I got this from. Some online store.
Okay, cute.
Jeans are... Also forgot the jeans. And forgot the boots. You guys,
Okay.
This is really awkward for me.
That's fine, it's fine. I'm really bad at like fit checks too. Also guys, just so you know, the set, my BRIAVIA collab set is available. So go ahead, I'll put a link down below. You can go check it out. It's in 4 colors. It's my favorite thing ever. Dave, so this whole portion of us like eating and like whatever, it's gonna be like a montage, just so you know.
Hey Dave!
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Wait, me with my gum problem.
Ew. Guys, Sydney likes to do this thing with her gum where she places it on things.
Because it's like convenient. Like,
But like I do it like sometimes like if I have to like a restaurant, but like she literally puts it
and it's
anywhere.
been like 3 years. Like, you know me for a while.
Yeah, and you always burn your oatmeal. Do you still burn it?
Yeah, I still do.
Oh god.
Yeah, nothing's changed, you guys. What the f was that? Did you see that?
Yeah.
What if it hit him?
The branch fell from the tree and it scared the shit out of us.
We
Okay.
just look at each other.
I know.
Like,
Okay, I'm like back to the montage. Okay guys, so Sydney's gonna eat a jalapeno. She got nachos and I'm scared for her, so here we go.
I'm like, do I do this? You're like, yes,
I know.
I can vlog it.
No, I was like, if you want, can I film it? I'm not responsible if you get hurt.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's super spicy. Okay.
Really? Okay, I feel bad now. I'll take a bite of one too.
Oh my god,
Really?
it's so spicy.
I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna do half too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm crying. It's hot.
No, there's no way.
Why did we do that?
Why the f did we do that?
Why did we do that? For what? Like, why? Like, we didn't know?
We just ruined our dinner.
Turning into Henry. Wow. Don't do it, you guys. Just learn from us. Don't do it.
Guys, I just needed to share. Sorry, I'm on my computer laptop. My camera is like very far away, and my laptop was right next to me, so this is what we're doing. But I started reading this book. It is so good. I haven't even gone that far, and I'm already hooked. Already 10 out of 10 recommend. I just like haven't even gone that far yet, and it's A1. That was really it. That's really all the update, and clearly there's really not gonna be much after this. There's gonna be nothing after this. I'm gonna be going to bed, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.